Welcome again to the Luxury Real Estate, where we show you the most epic and amazing condos all over the globe. Today our journey continues at the Sylvester Stallone Beverly Hills mansion. Sylvester Stallone, star of the Rocky and Rambo franchises, has officially set the price for his Beverly Park mansion, $110 million. An actor, producer, director, and screenwriter, Stallone has been a Hollywood mainstay since the 1970s. He received 2 Oscar nominations for the 1976 hit Rocky and another one for his role in the 2015 spin-off Creed. His other credits include First Blood, Cobra, and the Expendables franchise. Before we dive deep into the video by introducing all of you to his mind-blowing beautiful property, there is a small reminder. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and let us know below where you want us to go next on our journey. Okay, now to the video. This Beverly Hills mansion of Mr. Stallone spans 3.5 acres in North Beverly Park, one of LA County's most exclusive enclaves, with celebrity residents including Denzel Washington, Magic Johnson, Justin Bieber, and the late Sumner Redstone, whose house neighbors Stallones. The property was introduced to Stallone by Jade Mills of Coldwell Banker Previews International, who has worked with Jennifer Aniston. Mills has shared the experience on how the Stallone family approached him. Let us see what he has to say first. I picked up the phone one day and this voice says, "Jade, this is Jennifer Stallone. I was absolutely thrilled to hear from her." Mills continues, "She's a very successful woman with her skincare products. She's also an interior designer, so I was just really in awe of her. Both of them are really larger-than-life people. It is evident from this anecdote how the first interaction between Stallone and Mills went. Oh, and besides this, Mills is also working with agent Kurt Rappaport, as she shared with the site." Jade also added, "A lot of these homes in Beverly Park are big, beautiful homes, but don't have a view. This is an exceptional home with land and it has a view. No doubt the home will serve as an oasis to those seeking privacy from the hustle and bustle of Tinseltown, as it is at the end of the cul-de-sac up a long private driveway in an exclusive enclave. And the security is very good. It's double gated. You're gated within the community, and then again, when you get to the house, you're gated," added Mills. The power pair Sylvester Stallone and Jennifer Stallone have daughters Sophia, Sistine, and Scarlett. He is also the father of sons, Sergio and the late Sage Stallone, from his first marriage to Sasha Zach, which lasted from 1974 to 1985. Stallone was also married to blonde bombshell Bridget Nielsen from 1985 until 1987. Sly, born Michael, reportedly financed the sale with a $15 million 30-year mortgage. This property, situated at Beverly Hills, was designed by architect Edward Gronsbach and built in 1994. The entire square feet of the dwelling is 21,000 square feet, but Mills says that it's not too big. Even though the square footage is very large, it's a pretty traditional floor plan. It is a really easy house to live in. The property enjoys the rarefied air of being one of only a handful of homes offered at more than $100 million in Southern California. At $110 million, it's tied with Steve Wynn's Beverly Hills mansion as the 4th priciest listing in LA County. The high-profile listing is exclusively held by Rick Hilton, Jeff Highland, and the husband and wife team Baron N. Hilton and Tessa Hilton of Hilton and Highland. Rick Hilton said that Stallone and his wife, Jennifer Flavin, are swapping the West Coast for the East Coast. A few months after the movie star, the listing arrived, paid $35.38 million for a sprawling compound in Florida's Palm Beach. As mentioned earlier, Beverly Hills Park Mansion covers 21,000 square feet, with 8 bedrooms and 12 bathrooms on what Hilton considers the best view lot in the 61-home neighborhood. Even the garage has a great view, Baron N. Hilton said. Stallone updated the house every few years during his ownership, adding a Richard Landry-designed guest house and touching up the living spaces with steel-framed windows and doors. But initially, as the Mediterranean, the house's upgrades brought a more contemporary feel to many living spaces. The actor saved plenty of room for amenities as well. There's a movie theater, gym, and a cigar room with an air filtration system. A life-size Rocky Balboa statue anchors the memorabilia room. The 8-car garage includes an art studio. Outside, the park-like grounds include rolling lawns and a massive patio with an infinity pool and spa, which boasts a second Rocky statue at the edge. Balconies and terraces overlook the scenic space from above. Stallone's mark on the home is undeniable from the numerous Rocky-inspired artworks and sculptures that pay homage to the film franchise, one of which stands over the infinity pool to the movie memorabilia. The neighborhood has been in the news plenty as of late, as a neighboring mega mansion is set to become the most expensive property ever to be auctioned after it was listed for a cool $160 million. The Via Firenze estate features 20 bedrooms and 23 bathrooms and is currently owned by billionaire Air Lease Corporation CEO Stephen Udvar-Hazy. The property was previously listed in 2018 for $165 million, but it is now going up for auction with a guide price of $160 million. It sold for $51 million in April. The home, built by architect William Hablinsky, sits on 9 acres and can be accessed by its street, as the listing is being managed by Hilton and Highland. Some of those collector items may be included in the home sale, according to listing agent Baron N. Hilton, who shares the listing with colleagues Rick Hilton, Jeff Highland, and Tessa Hilton. The house is built for a king and queen, Mr. Hilton said, adding that the attention to detail in the property is superb. It's a treasure trove of amenities with a home gym, a theater, multiple offices, balconies, and an impressively well-stocked bar. You just feel at home when you walk in, Mr. Hilton said. You can really picture you and your family enjoying yourselves there. Plus, there are rolling lawns, a putting green, a Richard Landry-designed guest house, and the views from essentially every room, even the garage, according to Mr. Hilton. And the location of the home is an amenity in itself. Beverly Park is probably one of the most sought-after gated communities in the country, Mr. Hilton said, with neighbors including Eddie Murphy, Rod Stewart, and Magic Johnson. You're in pretty good company. Before we move on, a reminder, please don't forget to like and subscribe and let us know below where you want luxury real estate to go to next on our journey to show you the most amazing places all around the world. The listing comes on the heels of Mr. Stallone's December purchase of $35.3 million waterfront compound in Florida's upmarket Palm Beach, a home with oversized windows, vaulted ceilings, a gym, a temperature-controlled wine room, and more than 250 feet of sandy water frontage. Let us look deep into the rooms and other amenities. The primary 2-story building includes a formal living room that features views to Rodeo Drive and beyond. There is a large bar with high chairs and a painting as well as a sculpture from Rocky. Walking from the bar, there is a big enough room for a pool table, a piano, a living room set, noticed on the left art of Stallone himself. One of the living rooms has French windows, high ceilings with a wrought iron chandelier, and hardwood floors. The chef's kitchen includes 2 massive islands that can seat at least 5 people, with room for a kitchenette table by the windows. Treated to stunning views, one of the rooms is unique because it has floor-to-ceiling windows that look out at the hills. There was also a professional movie theater on the property which has room for 20. In Stallone's office, there is a large window that looks at the yard as well as high ceilings. Inside, there are many images of him as Rambo and Rocky. There is also a home gym, Mills said. What would you expect Rocky's gym to look like? It truly is Rocky's gym, even though I'm sure the whole family uses it. By the way, did you hear Sly has been keeping his real estate portfolio full as of last month? He reportedly purchased a Bermuda-style estate on the north end of Palm Beach in Florida for $35.375 million. Well, that must be another whole story, so let us get back to our video. In this whopping Stallone mansion, there is also a 2-story guest house with 2 en-suite bedrooms and a full chef's kitchen as Richard Landry designed it. The primary 2-story building includes a formal living room that features views to Rodeo Drive and beyond. As if that wasn't enough, amenities also have a professional movie theater and cigar room with an air filtration system. Outside, there is a massive patio with an infinity pool, spa, and even a putting green. Any gearhead would be happy to know that there is also an air-conditioned 8-car garage with an art studio. The gated community is also home to Hollywood royalty Denzel Washington and Eddie Murphy. According to the Palm Beach Daily News, the Oscar-nominated actor bought the 13,241 square foot property in a sale recorded December 16th by the Palm Beach County Clerk's office. Despite being in his 70s, Sly doesn't seem to be slowing his acting career anytime soon, as late last year, it was confirmed that the Rocky and Rambo star had joined the cast of James Gunn's The Suicide Squad. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you leave a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe if you loved it. See you soon on another exciting topic.